Kalagan. Just to inform all and everyone here on my Katropang Kalagan vlog, not only in Palawan has this, Karamuan also have this. Karamuan, Camarines Resort, meron silang ano dito, Lake Tabsing din, like Barracuda, Kayangan, and other part of Coron Island. Meron din, kaso nga lang hindi siya malinaw guys, not like Barracuda and Kayangan and Twin Lagoon. Sama ba Twin Lagoon? Di pa ako nakapunta doon eh. You know? Ginawa nilang fish pan. Abot pa to high tide. Mataas ang tubig eh. Okay. Looks nice. Hindi lang crystal clear ang tubig.